Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the failed to initialize game error in Crimson Desert. First, make sure your game is fully updated. Open Steam or your console client and check for updates. The developers have released patches that fix stability issues, so installing the latest version can solve this error right away. If your game is already updated, the next step is to verify the game files. Sometimes files become corrupted or missing during an update. To fix this, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Crimson Desert and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete. Steam will automatically repair or replace any broken files. Another simple fix is to disconnect unnecessary USB devices. Some external devices, like controllers, racing wheels, or special keyboards, can cause conflicts during startup. Remove all extra USB devices and keep only your mouse and keyboard connected. After that, try launching the game again. These steps usually fix the failed to initialize game error. If the problem continues, make sure your system meets the game requirements. Thanks for watching.